So we looked at inequalities with infinitely many. We said instead of saying infinitely many, we said all real solutions, all real numbers, or ones with no solutions. So when we examined A, we saw that we had to distribute first because while solving equations, that's what we did. It's the same exact process as solving an equation, only we have to remember this inequality symbol. So negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x, and negative 3 times a negative 5 is a positive 15. Okay, the inequality symbol is greater than, and we just rewrite negative 6x plus 9. Okay, we can't combine any terms on either side of the inequality symbol, so we start to move the variable terms to one side. I like to move them to the left. So I'm going to add 6x because that's the opposite of negative 6x, and opposites go to 0. I'm going to do the same thing over here because what I do on the right, I have to do on the left. But I also notice that these cancel each other out. So I'm left with a 15 over here and a 9 over here. And 15 is greater than 9. That is a true statement. The inequality, you really have to pay attention to that symbol. Is 15 greater than 9? Yes, it is. That means that x, no matter what value it is, it's going to be true for all real numbers. So all real numbers are going to be the solution of that inequality. So then when we looked at B, we said, okay, well, 4x minus 5 can't be simplified anymore. Less than. But now I see a 2, parentheses 2x, minus 3. So I'm going to distribute that 2 into the parentheses. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times a negative 3 is a negative 6 or minus 6. And now we're going to start the process where we get variables to one side and constants to the other side. I'm going to take away 4x from both sides because I want to cancel it out from the right. But in doing so, I also canceled it out from the left. And now I have something that says negative 5 is less than negative 6. Well, that's false. It's not a true statement. Negative 5 is actually greater than negative 6. So any value of x that you substitute into the original inequality is going to result in a false statement. Okay? It has no solution. So then for homework, we were to do these two problems. Let's see if I can get it into this one video. So we would distribute the negative 2 into the parentheses, and we get negative 8x plus 4 is less than negative 8x plus 4. Being that I have a negative 8x on both sides, I'm going to add 8x to cancel those 8x's out. And I get 4 is less than 4, which is not true. 4 is actually equal to 4, so there is no solution. All right, over here, we have negative 6x minus 5 is less than negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 1 is minus 3. I'm going to add 6x to both sides to cancel the one on the right out. But again, it cancels the one on the left out as well. And I get a statement saying negative 5 is less than negative 3, which is true. So we wouldn't say in an inequality that it's infinitely many solutions, but we would say all real numbers. So that was the homework from last night, or from one of the nights, depending on when you watch this video.